So this is the piece that's actually printing right now. This is going to replace the spindle on my smaller 3040 CNC. Currently we are sitting 3 hours left and it's 7 hours in. And you can see what it's printing. That's the infill. And then once it gets done with the infill, it'll do the outside walls. And then do the next layer. Actually goes pretty quick. Gonna make 2 faster passes around the border and then 1 slow pass. I'm sure you can hear the printer in the background. And that completes the outside. And we'll take a look at the printer. This is one of my first few prints I did on my i3 printer. It's using 4 matrix LEDs and ESP8266. Does the time. The status bar across the bottom is a 3D print job I actually have going. And we'll go look at that in just a minute. I think this print was running for 7 hours, got 3 more hours to go. I don't show the date, weather, and then it'll also display the file name. And the percentage. And the Bitcoin value. When I first printed this, it was up to 10,000. Like I said, the small status bar across the bottom, and then also the percentage that displays. And we'll be back looking at the job on the printer. And here's the print job running. What that's going to replace is this piece here that held the 500 watt OEM spindle. This is a 65 millimeter. I was planning on doing an 800 watt water cooled. Come to find out, the Makita router is 65 millimeters. I took my calipers to Home Depot and measured it, and it'll slip right in. There'll be 3 bolts across the front, and there'll be 4 bolts that hold down the bracket that mounts onto the tricoidal screw. And be able to push this a little bit faster, and use my 1/4 mils that I have for my 52x82 CNC in the other room. But if you have any questions, just post them below.